Hi there, and welcome back to MarkSharks. In this short video, we focus on the construction of an SSS triangle using one of MarkShark's many visual interactives. As you know, triangles are the building blocks of quadrilaterals. And in this example, we're going to revise the construction of a side-side-side or SSS triangle. We already have a rough diagram of the triangle we wish to construct, with points A, B, and C, whose lengths are AB is the value of 10, AC is the value of 5, and BC is the value of 7. Now, the first step when we're constructing a triangle is to choose any base. And in this example, let's go with base AB of the value 10. To begin, click on the Sketch Mode button. After clicking on the Sketch Mode button, select Segment and draw the line point AB. It is a good practice to label your work. To do this, click on the Selection button and select one of the points. After that, click the Label button and label the point A. Repeat the same process to label point B. Now it's time to construct point C. For this, you have to draw two arcs, one from point A and one from point B. The radii of these arcs will be the lengths of the values given in the rough sketch. In this situation, point AC would be the value of 5 and point BC would be the value of 7. Now let's begin to set these parameters and draw our arcs. Select the compass setting and then select Set Radius. From point A, you would set a radius of the value 5, after which you would select the Rotate button to select the parameters to draw your arc. After which, select the Arc button and go ahead and draw one arc point from point A. Repeat the same process now from point B with the Set Radius option of 7. You will notice that both arcs intersect, and the point of intersection is point C. Then after that, simply select the segment option and complete your triangle accurately. Once you're done, tap this button to open a panel that contains the Check button. Press Check to validate your construction. And that's it. Another great example of how MarkSharks interactives help a child learn and retain a concept. Download MarkSharks today for 7 days absolutely free. We are MarkSharks. It's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.